Begin by tucking the sock boot into the boot cover. Next, fold one leg over the other and roll sleeping bag style to the bottom of the zipper. Before going further, confirm the zipper is completely open. Roll to the arms and fold each one over the chest and the glove ring down flat with the chest. Finally, fold the visor into itself without creasing the lens. Once folded, place the suit in the duffel bag provided. Follow any SOPs for tagging out or identifying a new pressure-tested suit.